Good evening, dear children. I hope you are fit and fine at home. Let us make this quarantine period productive. In this session, I will teach you computer. Let us start our computer's first class of new session. Before starting the class, let us see our book cover. This is your book cover. Let me open this book. Yes, this is your first chapter about computer. Yes, dear children, our first chapter is computer, about computer. Topics covered in this chapter: what is computer, hardware and software, working of a computer, how does a computer work, characteristics of a computer, uses of a computer. Okay, now as you know, we are in new class. Let us learn or some more interesting things about computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic machine that takes instructions from us and give the results after processing. A computer works very fast. It can do millions of tasks in a second. It can perform day-to-day activities like writing letters, doing calculations, making drawings, playing music, playing videos and many more. Dear children, I believe you download the PDF file which I sent you earlier. Let us move to next page. Yes. Next topic is hardware and software. The computer system is categorized mainly into two parts. First part is hardware and second is software. Hardware. All the physical parts attached to a computer called hardware. You know name of some hardwares: mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, speakers, etc. are the examples of hardware. As you can see in this picture, speaker, CPU, monitor, है ना? Next, software. Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer how to do a particular task. The programs like MS Windows, MS Paint, MS Word, etc. are the examples of software. Okay, now let us move to next. Softwares के बारे में आप सब लोगों ने मोबाइल में ऐप्स डाउनलोड कर रखे हैं ना? These are also softwares बेटे. Next, working of a computer. A computer is a machine that works very fast, but it cannot work on its own. Some data has to feed into it. It will process that data as a result and give relevant information. कि कंप्यूटर खुद से कुछ नहीं करता है. We have to feed some data, मतलब हमको कुछ उसको input देना पड़ता है. Then it will process the input and finally we will get the final result or output. Okay, two new words are here. First is data and second is information. Let us discuss first data. Data is a collection of raw unorganized facts and figures that includes words, numbers, sounds and images. Read this again. Data is a collection of raw unorganized facts and figures that includes words, numbers, sounds and images. For example, class 3 A, roll number 8, 5000, roll Rahul, etc. are the example of data, because we will not understand what actually he wished to explain us. From class 3 A, roll number 8, rupees 5000, Rahul, etc. Let us learn about information. The meaningful and organized form of data is called information. कि जब आप डेटा को ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इन्फॉर्मेशन. यस, एग्जाम्पल देखिए. पहले क्या लिखा था? क्लास 3 A, राहुल 8, देन रुपीज 5000, है ना? राहुल इज इन क्लास 3. नाउ इट इज कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन. राहुल इज इन क्लास 3. ही इज इन सेक्शन A. राहुल्स रोल नंबर इज 8. हिज मंथली फी इज रुपीज 5000. Now you must have understood the difference between data and information. Next topic is how does a computer work? The working of computer is based on the following principle: input, process and output. Let us see in this detail. When we feed data to computer, it assesses the data as input through different input devices like keyboard, mouse and scanner. Next topic is process. The computer processes the data and change into information with the help of processor, also called CPU, central processing unit. You know, we call CPU as a brain of computer. Next is, after processing, the computer shows the final result as an output through different output devices like monitor, printer and speaker. We already learned in class 2nd input devices and output devices. Input devices, the devices which are used to give input to the computer, and output devices which are used to show result to user. For example, input 6 plus from keyboard, we input 6 and plus from keyboard. This is data because it is not a clear information. Now CPU process the data 6 plus 6. Now it converts into information. Final output is 12, which shown on monitor. Now next page. Next topic is characteristics of computer. A computer is a powerful and useful machine which has a very high processing speed. Computer is used in many different fields because of its characteristics. Let us have a look at some of these characteristics. Very first characteristic, speed. You know computer works very fast. Next is reliability and accuracy. A computer is very reliable and it does not make any mistake. That's why we use computer. Computer is very reliable and it does not make any mistake. If we give proper input, it will give an accurate output. Next is versatility. A computer can perform variety of tasks very efficiently. Next is storage. A computer can store large amount of data for your future use. As you save your photographs, videos for future use in mobile phones, in computer, है ना. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मल्टीटास्किंग. अ कंप्यूटर कैन डू मेनी टास्क सेम टाइम. अब एक कंप्यूटर एक साथ कई सारे काम कर सकते हैं. यू कैन प्ले अ ऑडियो इन बैकग्राउंड एंड यू कैन मेक ड्राइंग द सेम टाइम. नेक्स्ट इज डिलीजेंस. अ कंप्यूटर कैन वर्क फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम विदाउट गेटिंग टायर्ड. कंप्यूटर बिना थके बहुत देर तक काम कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज यूजेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर. अ कंप्यूटर कैन डू मैनी थिंग्स. We can use computer for creating document. For example, if you wish to write a letter to your class teacher. Next is playing games. I believe you all playing games on computer in this quarantine period. Yes. Next, performing calculations. You can perform calculations using computer, using calculator. Buying and selling things online. You can purchase or sell anything on online. I believe you must know of some online shopping sites, Amazon, Flipkart. Next topic is learn new things. You can use computer to learn new things. Next is listening to music. You can listen to music or any audio song. Next, watching movies and cartoon. You can use computer for watching movies and cartoons. I believe you are seeing this video on computer. Yes, this is all about our first chapter about computer. Now after this I am showing you a video. Listen the video carefully. This is all about your computer. If you still have any query, you can ask me anytime.
Chapter 1. About computer. Topics covered. What is a computer? Hardware and software working of a computer. How does a computer work? Characteristics of a computer. Uses of a computer. Hi friends, welcome back again. Now you are in a new class. Let us learn some more interesting things about computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that takes instructions from us and gives the result after processing. A computer works very fast. It can do millions of tasks in a second. It can perform different day-to-day tasks like writing letters, doing calculations, making drawings, playing music, playing videos, and in many more. Hardware and software. The computer system is categorized mainly into two parts, hardware and software. Hardware. All the physical parts touched to a computer are called hardware. You can touch or feel the hardware. Mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, speakers, etc. are all examples of hardware. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer how to do a particular task. The programs like MS Windows, MS Paint, MS Word, etc. are examples of software. Working of a computer. A computer is a machine that works very fast, but it cannot work on its own. Some data has to be fed into it. It will process that data. and give relevant information. Data is a collection of raw, unorganized facts and figures that includes words, numbers, sound and images. For example, Class 3A, roll number 8, rupees 5,000, Rahul, etc. Information. The meaningful and organized form of data is called information. For example, Rahul is in class 3. He is in section A. Rahul's roll number is 8. His monthly fees is rupees 5,000. Now you must have understood the difference between data and information. How does a computer work? The working of a computer is based on the following principle: input, process, output. Let us see the details. When we give data to a computer, it accepts the data as input through different input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. The computer processes this data and changes this into information with the help of processor, called as CPU, Central Processing Unit. After processing, the computer shows the final result as an output through different output devices like monitor, printer, speakers, etc. Input, data, process, information, output. So friends, this is how a computer works, and this is known as IPO cycle. Characteristics of computer. A computer is a powerful and useful machine which has a very high processing speed. Computers are used in many different fields because of the characteristics they possess. Let's have a look at some of these characteristics. Speed. A computer works very fast. Reliability and accuracy. A computer is very reliable. It does not make mistakes. Versatility. A computer can perform a variety of tasks efficiently. Storage. A computer can store large amount of data for your future use. Multitasking. A computer can do many tasks at the same time. Diligence. A computer can work for a long time without getting tired. Uses of computer. A computer can do many things. We can use computers for creating documents, playing games, performing calculations, buying and selling things online, learning new things, listening to music, watching movies and cartoons.
Okay, dear children, this is all about your first chapter. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Stay home, stay fit. God bless you. See you again next lecture.